Ryan, come over here. Come on.
You just want regular chocolate.
What's this? Look at all these toys over here. Come on. You can do it. Oh. Come on. Good boy. Come on. You can do it. You just did it.
Just fold the chocolate right in.
You just did it.
It smells good.
I'm going to go get the monkey.
Just fold it in, but not so much that you deflate the egg whites.
Good boy.
10-inch angel food cake pan. Just going to pour this whole thing right in.
Here you go. Good job. Look at you. You got it. Good job. Yay. Good job, Ryan. You did it, bud. You can go get whatever you want.
Degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes.
What else do you want to play with?
Dale's up to. And when the cake's done, I'm going to go shopping.
Huh? You can go get whatever.
You like it? Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah?
It's rosemary and lamb. Oh, it's fabulous. All right, I'm off to the stores. I'll be right back. Good to see you soon.
What are you doing? What are you doing, bud? I know.
I used to think when I was entertaining, I was everything, and I mean everything. Finally, I got a little smarter, and I thought, I'm just going to buy a few things, assemble them, and it's going to be just delicious.
Woo!
What is some olives? Maybe this French Picholet look good. And the same one with the French black olives.
You out of here?
Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye. Thanks. So since we have a Mediterranean theme going, I thought hummus would be nice. I'll drizzle it with olive oil, saute some yolks.
Yeah? What's this over here?
Hummus, you gotta have pita. There you go.
What's that?
Roll with the lamb, it's gonna be great. Okay, I've got pita, I've got hummus.
All right.